Many people believe that strength means speaking loudly and showing confidence. They think strong people always explain themselves, defend their opinions, and react quickly. But real strength is often quiet. Emma was a woman who always felt the need to explain herself. When people misunderstood her, she spoke more. When people doubted her choices, she defended them. She believed that if she talked enough, people would understand her. But Emma felt tired, very tired. Every conversation felt like a battle. Every disagreement stole her energy. She spent so much time explaining herself that she had little energy left for her own growth. One evening, after a long and exhausting day, Emma sat alone in her room. The house was quiet. No messages. No voices. Just silence. In that silence, Emma noticed something important. She felt calm. Her mind was not racing. Her heart felt lighter. That night, Emma made a decision. She decided to stop explaining everything. The next day, when someone questioned her choice, Emma stayed silent. Her heart beat faster, but she did not speak. When someone judged her actions, she listened but did not defend herself. At first, silence felt uncomfortable. Emma worried about what people thought. She worried about being misunderstood. But she stayed quiet. Slowly, something surprising happened. The argument stopped. The pressure became smaller. Emma felt stronger inside. She realized she did not need approval to move forward. With silence, Emma gained control. Control over her emotions. Control over her time. Control over her energy. She started focusing on action instead of explanation. She spent more time improving herself and less time proving herself. Her work became better. Her confidence became deeper. People began to respect her, not because of her words but because of her results. Silence taught Emma a powerful lesson. You do not need to respond to everything. You do not need to explain your path to everyone. Sometimes, silence is the strongest response. Silence builds inner strength. It helps you stay calm under pressure. It helps you move forward without distraction. Emma continued living this way. She spoke when it mattered. She stayed silent when it did not. And with each quiet choice, she became stronger. If you feel drained from explaining yourself, try silence. If you feel weak from too many opinions, choose silence. Because true strength does not shout. True strength grows quietly.